Welcome to the video introduction to inspectiTRAC. My name is Tom Doheny, the project manager for inspectiTRAC at Russell Associates, and I will be your guide. The inspectiTRAC application is a mobile data collection system originally designed to capture inspection data. There are a variety of uses for a mobile data collection system like this, including audits, observations, and inspections. For this introduction, though, I'll show you the process for a simple equipment safety inspection, specifically fire extinguishers. We will start with declaring and naming a new inspection group. An inspection group is any number of inspections for which you would like to report. A group can range from a single inspection to all the inspections completed in 1 day or 1 month. It all depends on how you want the data reported. Generally, we suggest creating a new inspection group for all similar inspections. To begin, I will click on the Start Inspections button. The first thing we need to do is create the inspection group by giving it a name. Since we are doing safety equipment inspections, specifically fire extinguishers, which are completed on a monthly basis, I will name the inspection group with the current month and year and the type of inspection. This will help me identify and report the data later. We click on the Continue button to begin the inspection group. On this screen, you are seeing the areas of the plant I have set up. This inspection database is set up to demonstrate a lot of different uses, so my plan is going to seem a little strange. For our purposes, though, we will be inspecting the fire extinguishers in the production area and the receiving area. At this point, I would physically walk into the production area and click on that button to begin my inspections. As you can see on the screen, we have a lot of different inspections available for the production area. For example, most plants would have more than one safety equipment item to inspect, so they would have the screen filled with inspections for fire extinguisher, emergency exit lights, ladders, first aid kits, eye wash stations, and so on. Since we only have to inspect the fire extinguishers, I will click on that button. This screen is showing us a map of the production area with the locations of the fire extinguishers we need to inspect, identified with our clipboard icon. This screen can be expanded or shrunk down depending on how much detail you want to look at. I'll shrink the map down so we can see the whole production area. If I was doing this for real, I would take the tablet computer to the northwest corner of the production area and click on the icon to inspect that fire extinguisher. The inspection questionnaire appears. As you can see, the name of the item is shown at the top of the questionnaire. The first inspection item is if the fire extinguisher is in the correct location. There is a More Information button to the left of the question. When you click on it, more information about that question is displayed. Even with the additional information displayed, you can answer the question. You can click on the button again to hide the additional information. As you can see, the notes field for these questions are highlighted in red, indicating that a response is necessary. In this case, you must enter something in the notes field for the question if that question is marked as not passed. When you mark the question as passed, as we have in the first question, the notes requirement goes away. In inspectiTRAC, notes or comments can be required all the time, required on fail, optional all the time, or not available. In this case, the fire extinguisher passes all the inspection questions. When I have completed the questionnaire, I can save the inspection. Now I will move on to the next fire extinguisher. To save time, I will mark both of the remaining fire extinguishers as passed. You can see the icon for those items changed to green. That lets me know that not only have I completed the inspection, but the item passed inspection. If it did not pass, it would be colored red. Since all the items in this area have been inspected, I can save the inspection and move on to the next area. When I click on Save, I am prompted to enter my name in the box and sign it. Believe me, signing the box is a lot easier with your finger or stylus on the touchscreen of the tablet than it is using the mouse. Now we are back to the inspection list for the production area. You can see that the fire extinguishers inspection in this area are complete and the button is disabled. We don't want people to go back in and change the inspection information once they are saved and signed. I will back out of the production area and click on the receiving area to complete the inspections there. Again, we want to complete the fire extinguishers inspections. I'll shrink the map down again so I can see the entire receiving area. Again, I will click on the icon to inspect this fire extinguisher. This fire extinguisher passes the inspection, and I will move on to the next fire extinguisher. In this case, the fire extinguisher is discharged. so I must enter some information in the notes field for that question. These notes will help my maintenance personnel fix the problem. Once I enter the note, I can save the inspection. As you can see, the icon for this inspection item is red, indicating it did not pass the inspection. I will save the inspections in this area and sign the form to indicate that I inspected these items. If my maintenance personnel have questions, they will be able to see that I was the one that completed the inspection. As you can see, since the fire extinguisher inspections in the receiving area are complete, the button is disabled. Also note that the check mark is red, indicating that there was at least one failed inspection in that area. I will click on the back button twice to return to the main menu. I'm going to click on the Close Inspections button because I have completed all the inspections in this inspection group. The system verifies that I really want to close the inspection. Since I have inspected all the fire extinguishers in the plant for this month, I will confirm that yes, I do want to close the inspection group. Now I can view and export the data. I start by clicking on the View Reports button. There are two options. View Inspection Reports is a printable report which we will look at in a different tutorial. What we want is the exportable spreadsheet-like report we will find under the Export Report Groups button. On this screen you can see all the inspection groups currently in the database. Since our fire extinguisher group is the latest, it appears on top. I'm going to click on the group and then click View Group Report. This screen shows the group report. As I said earlier, it is a spreadsheet-like format. This report includes all the information you will need from the inspections, everything from when the inspection was taken to who performed the inspection, and of course, the items that did not pass inspection, and the notes for those items. Because I am going to import all this data into the cloud-based data management application called inspectiTRAC Manager, I want to export the data as an Excel workbook. Here I will give it a name and click Save. Now my inspection information is ready to import into inspectiTRAC Manager or any data management system. Thanks for viewing this introductory walkthrough of inspectiTRAC. For more information, please visit our website at www.inspectitrac.com.